If you like this video and channel, click on the like button and subscribe button. Also, if you want to have notification when new video released, click on the notified button. Welcome in video where we show how to work with HMI style and how to create and what is HMI style. Okay, we work with TP900 Comfort HMI. First we create some new screen, for example screen with name Styles, and okay, if you insert some object, for example today we work with button, you can change the design and appearance of this button. For example, you change the color of the text, border width, or I don't know, background color or gradient. Okay, also these objects in toolbox, like basic objects, elements and controls, you can use your styles. Styles you can find in properties of object, in option styles and design. You just want to click on the enable style design settings, and then you can find the appearance, the style of your button, what you want. For this style we have only one option. This is button, and first you want to select which style of the device you want. For now we have default style of project WinCC dark. When you want to create and use your own style, you can do it like this. You go to the library on the right panel, click on the library, and here in project library you can add new type, click on the HMI style, and here we add new type of HMI style. For example, we name it my style and click on OK button. Okay, now we can see HMI styles worksheet. Here you can create your style for buttons, text, polygons and lines, value-based objects, diagrams, tables, and for every object in your HMI. Now we show how to change the style for buttons. We create some new buttons, and later we use this style in our project. Okay, for example, we create button with name button white. You click on this button, properties will show, and for example this button will be white button, classic white button. We use solid background with color white, black text, I don't know, for example border will be 3D, and white will be 4. This will be our white button style. Next we, for example, insert button left. Okay, we need something like this. Okay, button left, then button right, then for example button menu. This style we use when we create some menus, and for example, button control. This button control we use when we have some, for example, faceplates or parts of HMI when we control, for example, valves. Okay, now we change the button left appearance. For example, width will be same like normal button, but text format orientation will be vertical left. For button right will be vertical right. Okay, for menu we, for example, change font of text to 15 pixels, and I don't know, border we have color for border, for example, black. Border will be bigger, and we change the background color to gray, and gradient, for example, these colors. Okay, focus stay same. Okay, we make a little bit bigger font for menu buttons, and make a little bit bigger corner radius to 15. Okay, and then we change the button control. This will have more slim width of the border, and then we make it more white, but also we use, I don't know, horizontal gradient, and we change the layout of this button white, and second gradient will be also white. Okay, and text color will be black. Okay, now we change and create some new styles button in our My Style HMI style. If you want to save these changes and create your style, just click on the release the version. Now we click on the release the version. Here you can again change the name, My Styles. Okay, here you can change the name of author, John G. My created style for buttons. Okay, now we create a style, and we can show how to use it. First, we, for example, create some menu, go to the toolbox, click on the rectangle object. This will be height of the rectangle, and change the width of the object to 800, and height will be 100. Okay, insert here some text, for example, menu, with font 30. Okay, acknowledgement centered. And now we insert here some menu buttons. Okay, in own HMI style, we also create menu button, and now we can use this style for our menu. Just click on the button which you insert to your HMI screen. Click on the properties of this button, and in option styles and design you can use your style. First click on the style design settings, okay, and in device style option click on this green arrow, unclick the default style of the project and click on your style in style of HMI device option. Here you can see there is our style, and with our comments, my created style for buttons. Okay, we click on it. Okay, and now we can go back. Now when we choose our style, you can change the style item appearance. Now we create the menu. This is why we use the button menu. Okay, now we can see we have button which we define in our style. We can create more buttons, but we make a little bit bigger. Okay, we create, for example, 4 buttons. Okay, with name, I don't know, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and page number 4. Using this style which we create is good when we have predefinite look of the button and object. We don't want to still create the button and changing the appearance, design, layout, text format, etc. We just click on the styles and design and choose our created style. It's more faster than normal work with buttons and still changing the buttons. Okay, also we create white button. For this button we use for stop RT button. Again, properties, styles and design. We want to change the style item appearance. Then we click on the style design settings and choose button white. Okay, change the text to stop runtime. Okay, and alignment this button to the right top corner. Also we create button for controlling some peripherals. For example, we make some layout to control valves, for example pneumatic valves, valve, change the font size to 25, for example. Okay, and here now we can insert button, and again like in previous buttons we change the styles. Okay, and we create the button control type of the button. Okay, now we have here it. For example, we create 2 buttons for states for state open and close vale. And at least we create left and right alignment styles for buttons. We can create it, for example, for corners buttons, something like also like menu on the corners. Okay, enable the design settings, and first we use button left. Okay, settings 1, copy paste, settings 2. Okay, this is something like corner buttons on the left side, and now we create same for the right side. You just click and we choose button right. Okay, we want same size. We check on these left buttons, 3789, 3789. Okay. Settings 1, alignment, and also we create second button with name settings 2. Okay, this is how you can use HMI styles to work faster when you design and create your HMI screens. Also, when you have some pattern, your own pattern, when you create your HMI in projects. Okay, now we can check how it looks in runtime simulation. Okay, classic design. Okay, thank you for watching this video where you can see how to work with HMI styles. In this example, we show how to change some styles and create your style for buttons. Thank you, goodbye.